Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Focus service light. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but make sure you do not start the engine. Next, locate the information display controls, which are typically found on your steering wheel. Use these buttons to scroll through the various menus until you find either Settings or Information. This is the crucial first step to begin the reset process effectively. Once you are successfully in the main menu, carefully look for options such as Vehicle or Maintenance. Select the appropriate choice that leads you further into the vehicle's settings. Within this specific section, you should then find an option labeled Oil Life Reset or Service Due. Highlight this particular option, and then press and hold the OK button on your steering wheel controls to confirm your selection and initiate the reset procedure. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. On another note, after you've reset your car's service light, why not upgrade your home's clean game too? The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life much easier. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After you have pressed and held the OK button, the display should clearly show a message confirming that the oil life has been reset to 100%. It's important to wait for this confirmation. Once you see this message, you can then release the OK button. To finalize and thoroughly verify that the reset was successful, turn your ignition completely off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. The service light should now be off, indicating a successful reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.